A bizarre case of alleged misuse of public funds has surfaced from Odisha's Nabarangpur district, where two government schools have ended up with duplicate infrastructure projects. At Bada Damapala Government Primary School in Papadhandi block, two parallel boundary walls have been constructed barely 2 feet apart. Just a few kilometers away, Chaunaria High School has two separate kitchens coming up within the same campus, with one already completed and the other nearing completion. According to locals, both schools had received rupees 3 lakh each under the Bikasita Gaon Bikasita Odisha scheme. However, an alleged dispute between two rival village groups resulted in parallel construction works instead of a single approved project. School authorities say the duplicate structures serve no practical purpose and have called it a waste of government funds. Residents have also demanded a thorough investigation, alleging administrative negligence. The Papadhandi Block Development Officer says the work order was issued only once and that one group began construction despite repeated warnings from the junior engineer. He has clarified that payment will be made only for the officially sanctioned work after the inquiry report is submitted. The incident has now raised serious questions over project monitoring, accountability, and the effective use of taxpayers' money in rural development projects.
आमर आवश्यक नथिला से जो डबल पाचरी हला गोटे पाचरी दरकार से आउ गोटे पाचरी पैसा रे अन्य कोनोसी काम स्कूल पे करथले भलो होइतंदा से वर्तमान कोन करा जेतो सेटा प्रशासन हमर वीडियो जहा निष्पत्ति नेबे सेटा तो किंतु हमर कोनोसी काम रे वर्तमान आसीबो नाही पाचरी का जेतो डबल पाचरी हे गेला कोनोसी काम रे आसीबो नै गोटे पाचरी दरकार एटा निश्चित भाव रे कोआ जाई पारिबो जे सरकारी अर्थर अपव्यवहार
बड़दमापाला जो काम होईची इभेन आमे जेई को वर्क ऑर्डर देला परे सेठी दुईटा गोष्ठी भितरे कंदल हैला जे आमे करिवो तो से माने जेतेले फील्ड जेई रो बिना लेआउट आरंभ कले जेई रिपीटेडली 4-5 थर तांको काम न करिवा पई कहितले स्टिल से माने कंप्लीट करि दैछंती सेटा तो आफ्टर जेई आउ ए डबल रो इंक्वायरी डिटेल फील्ड इंक्वायरी रिपोर्ट देबे और एज पर गवर्नमेंट नॉर्म जहाँ सैंक्शन है गोटे काम गोटे ही बिल हे किंतु ए जाए डिसीजन है कहार ठीक से ही डंगरार से सेम इश्यू कहते।